Good idea to come out to the woods today.
Yeah, it were, weren't it?
Do you enjoy it, Sega?
It's always a good idea to come out to the woods. These big conifer trees, look at bark on them. Oh wow. They're like little versions of them that we met at that place at Burley, can you remember, in New Forest? So straight. Good morning.
Morning.
So we decided to come out today into the woods to just have a bit of a reset. We're hoping to find a nice place where we can sit ourselves down and make a nature mandala as a sort of meditative practice.
You have to show me what that means.
I will. I've never made one myself, actually. First time for everything.
I've seen all this sap on trees.
I know, there's lots of it in there.
That's the tree healing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a band-aid for the tree.
They're amazing, aren't they?
You can also use them when we go wild camping.
Yeah.
If you harvest that sap off of the tree, you can use it as a fire starter.
All right. Not like it's flammable.
Yeah, so that sap's really flammable.
Yeah.
And if you put cotton bud in it and soak the sap in the cotton bud, you'll then have something that's really highly flammable to start your fires with.
I'll have to get a try when we're wild camping.
See these clearing
Oh,
in
yeah.
trees?
It took a lot down.
Yeah,
I wonder what that's all about.
could be anything, could be disease or all.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Goodbye. Look at that knobbly tree there on left. Look at this. I think that this might be wood sorrel. Possibly. I'm not going to eat any though because I'm not 100%.
What is wood sorrel edible?
Yeah. Sorrel.
Alright. What do you have it in?
You can have it in salads and stuff. It is nice. We've got some at home, growing in garden.
Look at this clearing here. He knows the way, look.
It does, doesn't he?
Good boy. Nice bit of heathland.
That's lovely.
What the hell is that?
Oh, one looks like a bumblebee. very environmentally friendly, are they?
Oh, got a miss you sign.
Oh. So we just come across that little shrine which we just showed you, and it got me thinking, whilst I do think it's lovely to have a memorial spot out in nature for loved ones, I feel like there's better ways of doing it.
What way would you do it?
I would use biodegradable offerings.
Yeah.
Like maybe hang a bird feeder on a tree, or even just bring some bird seed and put some bird seed out in memory of a loved one. There just seems a lot of more environmentally friendly ways of remembering a loved one out in nature than leaving bits of plastic outside.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, I guess not everybody's the same. It's the same when you come to these clouty trees, and we've been them at Avebury and that one at Knowlton Church. And people are just leaving plastic things tied in trees.
Oh yeah.
And it's just a shame when you see stuff like that out in nature. And you know, people who's doing it don't mean any harm by it. They just probably don't even think. We've been wandering about for what seems like ages, trying to find a nice place for a picnic. And everywhere looks exactly the same to me. But we passed a place earlier on that would have been ideal, but just sheer genius, we decided to carry on walking straight past it. And I don't know how Jay's done it, but he's brought us back to the spot which we wanted to find. How on earth do you, what navigational skills, where do you get them, Jay? Because I'm dumbfounded at that.
It's this nose. Just follow your nose.
Honestly, he kept saying, look, because that looks like where we've just been, that big opening there must have been from when we turned right, and it didn't, it all looked the same. It is, he's down there, because that was Sega jumped over earlier. Well, I'll be damned. Got a sausage. Go over this bit. Here, look, Babs. Good boy. Look at that fungus right on the end of that branch. I don't know what that is.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, finally. You wanting a drink, Sega? Snapzilla. And relax.
We made it. And he's slithering, so all's good with world. Oh Christ, I'm that heavy, I think I nearly broke log we sat on. He wants ours.
Brewski. Can't believe how much I'm gagging for a brew.
You're always gagging for a brew. It's our thing, having a brew. It's what we do, is have a brew. He's going to knock that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that is a good tasting brew, that, isn't it? Are you feeling that one, Jaws?
I'm just grabbing some food because I'm starving. I'll eat oats.
Shit with sugar on. You're right. Here then, Sega, do you want your square cuts?
Lovely ham sandwich again.
Not wrong with ham sandwich.
These bread cakes from our local shop. And they're so soft.
They're right nice, aren't they? They're right nice, Sega. Last bit. There you go. Good boy. You've got some biscuits as well though, but I need to eat my sandwich first. Oops. Can't leave any behind. Leave no trace. You've decided that you're going to have one vegetarian day a week, haven't you? I'm full-time vegetarian, but I do cook meat for Jay. But he's decided, only yesterday, weren't it, that you're going to have one day a week where you're veggie. And something's better than no, so good on you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Fucking hell.
It's Mandala time. Similar to hammer time, but not.
Mandala time. Do-do-do-do.
That's good, I like that, because that outer bit can be this outer boundary of the mandala, so it's good that you're keeping it circular.
Oop.
So you can join in.
So what do we do now?
Find bits, leaves, sticks, natural objects. Which way's north? I didn't even check.
It's that way.
So north is here.
Yeah.
So I'm standing north. So mark this as north. That's south, east and west. So I've bought these because we can use these to snip things up, Jay, to smaller pieces so that we can work with them more intricately.
Okay.
Remember, try and use stuff that's already on the ground and dying rather than upsetting living things.
That's north.
Up north. I'm going to do a cross. That's good. Are you lining all round edges with that? I like that. Yeah, this is just really a mindful activity. It's a nice way to connect to nature.
Am I doing it right?
There's no right way, it's just a way to be creative.
Okay.
He's a writer.
Sega, come out of the mandala.
I like that. Look at this. I don't know whether you can see it. Intricate details on that leaf. It's lovely.
Let's find some pine cones, son. Pine cones.
Is Sega helping you?
Could say that.
Like them. They're like little tree hedgehogs, them.
Little tree hedgehogs.
Yeah. Change my mind about these leaves. I'm going to use them somewhere else. Oh, that's nice foliage, Jay. Let's go on the search for stones, Sega. I found a really unusual stone.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stone circle. I've got some to add. Yeah, like the grounding at the centre of the circle in stones. Oh, I like that. That feels right. I love it, me, Jay. Really, really good idea to add stone circle in the middle. I love that. I love that. I like making nature mandalas. There you go.
I like doing them. I think we should do more of them on his adventures.
I'd like to. I really enjoyed it.
I really like doing that. Really enjoyed doing that.
Me too. It was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think we should do them on all of his adventures.
I'd like to. Every single one, wherever we go.
Mandala patterns everywhere.
There is something really
Meditative about it.
It's a very calming thing to do, and it's a nice way to express your creativity, isn't it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. He didn't, because he didn't get no attention.
Yeah, if attention's not on him, then he's whistling like a whistling wonder.
You guys have ever done a mandala? If you have, can you post it in the comments?
Can you post? Sega says you can. Apparently that were a yeah. Get it dropped in the comments below. That's what Sega says. I would be interested to see people's mandalas though, because
Yeah.
I mean, some people are absolutely incredible with it, aren't they?
I mean, that's our first attempt, isn't it?
Yeah, but I'm happy with it, and I liked using the compass. I liked using the compass so that we could really understand which direction we were pointing. It's nice to get that's like a firm grounding thing to do, isn't it? You know, it's literally getting your bearings, isn't it? And then adding the stone circle in the middle were a really, really good idea for that strong grounded centre. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
You're really good that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm very happy with it.
It's a bit like when you go wild camping and you're foraging for like bits to make your fire out of. That's got a similar type of feel to it, I think, hasn't it?
Yeah,
It's just like a little nature, and it's lovely.
I really enjoyed that.
Shall we have another brew?
Let's have another brew. Is that mine?
It is.
Thank you.
You know it.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Yes. Got some bark in mine. Bark, Sega, bark. Don't really. Would you like to do a card pull?
Yeah. Let me turn my gloves off.
I bought your deck.
Thank you. For those of you who don't know, my deck is the Celtic Spirit Oracle.
Good deck.
By Nicola Mackintosh.
I got Celtic Spirit Tarot for Christmas, and that's really good as well. And I'm using Oak Ash and Thorn Tarot deck. With the Oak Ash and Thorn, you get little cards with the meanings on rather than a book like you do with the Oracle deck, which Jay's using. But they're Rider-Waite Smith, more or less, just wildlife instead, which is more me. Wow, that's always so accurate for you, that deck, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I got just a 1-card pull from the tarot deck. I don't know if you can see it. Can I have a pull from that deck?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to do my little oracle pull in addition to the tarot card that I got.
Just gonna get up, my ass has gone numb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's quite accurate considering what we've just been doing. The green man beckons to all who wish to follow. He teaches us that there is no separation between human beings and the natural world. We are part of nature. We are nature, whether we like it or not. No one is above this fact. The closer we become to recognising this connection, the more we feel at peace. Well, I'd agree with that.
The green man.
Look at words though.
Nature, connection and source.
Yeah.
It's right good, that deck, innit?
Yeah, it really is. It's brilliant. Definitely would recommend this deck. Would you recommend it, Sega? Is that what you're saying? It better be. You better not be just being mardy.
He just keeps whistling.
That noise though, kid.
It's so annoying.
That noise.
Thanks, Lars, that was lovely.
It's been really nice.
What you got there, Babs?
Some bird seed to leave an offering.
That's a good idea.
I like to leave an offering.
So we've been out roughly 4 hours.
I'd say so.
It's been a lovely walk.
It's been ever so nice.
Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.
See you next time.
Stay tuned. Forgot my camera again.